Greetings! In this lesson, you will learn a lot about variables, conditional branching, about update function, and some things more. So let's start. Go to your main folder and open main script. In the main script, as you know, we work with the function initialization or init. In this lesson, we will work with function update. So, for now, let's learn how to declare simple variable. We will start with word local. Means this variable is only for this script. Variable will be called position or just pos. And this position will have a value of 0. So to declare local variable, we use local, name of variable, equal, and the value of the variable. This is some kind of numeric variable. Variable can be string, for example, so like this. It's a string. It's a script, it's a string. So string variable. Also, it can be Boolean variable with the two values true or false, and some other variables like vector tree variables. So now we will use one numerical variable position. Nice. Let's go to function update. Function update is one of default function and will work on every update, on every delta time, means on every frame for your game. When a game starts, frame is 0, and after a delta time, game repeat itself. So if we put print command here, print and put inside delta time and start our game with this text, with this code in an update, we will get a lots of debug with some numbers. So let's stop this for now and look at numbers. Numbers are almost the same, but this number change through the delta time. So this is a slight change in some fourth, fifth decimal. This is our delta time. So we will use this delta time to work something with conditional branch. What's a conditional branch? It's a part of the code. So we will use if, then end for this conditional branch. If is some kind of condition and will be end of this if, and we will write some condition here. So if our position is less than 100, then we will do something. So this will be our code. So we will do something if position, so this value, is less than 100. For now, position is 0, and if is less than 100. What we can do? We can now add some computing. So position will be equal position plus 1. And we will also print this out to see this value in our console output. We can clear the console output for now and build again. Clearing console is not necessary. Okay, our first error script, main script 15. Where is line 15? Here, as you see, line 15, if position less than 100, then attempt to compare nil with a number. So nil with a number, something of a value nil is compared with a number. We have a number is 100, and the nil is the value of this position. Why is this happening? Because we declare we declare local position in this function. So this local position will be used where? Locally in this function. What we can do? We can do this as a first step. So we will cut and then paste it here as one value, local value for the whole code. Now we will not have error, but we will have some kind of debug script writing from number 1 to 100. Why? Because we say if position is less than 100. One thing more, when the local position here is put inside there, you will get this blue underline with a comment unused variable position, and here also you will get global variable in lowercase case initial, and here accessing undefined variable position, meaning they don't recognize this variable. Why? Because variable is in function. So we will go back, Control Z for example, and this is okay. Now in a function update, we will put one line of a code. So what will we try to do? We will put this line of a code. So game object dot set position. Because we use game object, we don't need to use ID here. And we will define position here with vector math dot vector3 for positioning. First position is the X position. We will set it as a pos. Epsilon position will be position without change, for example 40, and Z will be 0. Now we will test this script again. Our dot is moving on the screen. Again, our dot is moving, so we have first movement of some game object in a screen. Isn't this magnificent for a beginning? Yes, it is. We will learn one thing more in this lesson. So we will change this first part. So now we will only have set position. You see underscore here. So undefined global set position. We need something to define here. We will add other parameter here, geo. Let's see now. Undefined global set position. So the best way for now for you is to code it like this. So put game object name first and then set position with only one variable, and this variable is position. In this vector3 position, what we change? Only x-axis. So the movement is happen in an x-axis from 0, declare it here, so position is 0, less than 100 here, and increase it by 1, which creates some kind of illusion of a movement to the right. Thank you for watching. This is all for this lesson. We will continue in next one. Goodbye.